Look at that. I've got a little Tweety up on deck. Good morning, guys. Having some coffee. Look how nice the sun is shining into the boat. Awesome. So, hey, look, I look like an angel. I am actually an angel. No, not really. Hey guys, well, I'm leaving the day after tomorrow. I've got some broken navigation lights that needs to be fixed, and I want to fix my Bob good to this boat. So my automatic pilot, I call him Bob. And what else? Need to fill it up with some water. Got the new boat in from Aqua Parks. Thanks Aqua Parks, the new rib. So I need to inflate that one because I always use that, never I had to use it as my life raft, but if I have the option to choose between my life raft and a dinghy, I'll choose a dinghy. Strong, yeah, I like the dinghy. So okay, let's get started. Got myself a new Raymarine for the new boat, second hand, so we have the pins but no connection, and I need to connect that to, how do you call it, look at that, I'm gonna connect it to cigarette plug. So we made 2 of these. We need to figure out which, sorry guys, it's hard to film while holding everything. We need to figure out what's the plus and what's the minus. Well, I checked it on the internet, but I don't know what is the plus and the minus here. So let's see if I can put it down there. Yeah, that's not the best side of me. We have a little measurement, so maybe I can put it up there. Yeah, it works. Okay, so let's see if we connect this to a cigarette lighter. There we go. It's in the cigarette lighter. So now I need to check out what's the plus and what's the minus. I'm checking the plus in one and the minus in one. And if that shoots, look, it's giving 13 volts. It says minus, so it means that the red and the black are the wrong way around. So I'm gonna switch this around. There we go. Look at that, 13.5 volts. So it means that this is the plus and that's the minus. So this is the plus. There we go. So I know from the cigarette lighter that's the plus, and I need to connect that to the plus on this one. There we go. Well, I can't find a definite scheme on the pins, so how to connect it, how to wire it, what's the plus and what's the minus. So there's on your measurement, I don't know how you call it, but anyway, you can adjust it so it will beep if it's connecting. So look at that, we have, see, there and there. If it touches, it gives a beep. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold it to the plus, because this is where everything comes in, all the current. So check out the pins. No, 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 yes. So this is the plus. So that's the 1, 3, 2, 3, the third on the left. So, and now I want to know the minus. No, 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 no. Second on the left. So if you look at the pins, I know the second on the left is the minus, and the third on the left is the plus. So now I can connect this pin to a plus, that to a minus. So I already established this is the plus, so the plus will go on the third and the minus will go on the second. So now it should, this should give 12 volts, so check that out. I'm gonna switch this to measure the voltage. There we go. Now let's check it out. I'm gonna hold the pins, so left and right, and then this should give me 12 volts. Let's see if I can get it all in one shot. And there we have it. So just reconnect it, and yeah, we should have a working steering pilot. without the proper connection, because this connection, I don't know why, it wasn't with there when I got it secondhand. So yeah, this is the solution. That's how you do it. Fix it up. Let's see if it works. Look at that, guys. All connected. Moment of truth. Plug it in. See if it works. Sounds good? Woo! Check that out, guys. Check that out. We've got a working autopilot. Well, first let's test it. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Ah! No! No! Okay, that sucks. That officially sucks. Okay, that works. Ah! Woohoo! I was scared there for a second. Oh, look at that! Woo! Oh, was scared for a second, but it was just still need to tape it up so the connections are good. Whew! Nice one! I'm gonna install it outside.
This is the Funk Crust Brass Band.
Look at that. I can connect it here and yeah, put a bolt on there. And then it should stay put even with the hardest storms. Marcella from Club Nautica Gandia is saying goodbye, and I got a flag from her. Check that out. Look, I'm still here in Gandia. I came here to say my family, my brother, everybody hello, but I ended up with a new family here in Gandia. Real Club Nautica Gandia. It's awesome. Check that out. I had a great stay, and check this out, guys. My rudder is working again. I can leave safely, and I've got a flag. Just as a reminder. So guys, I can recommend you this harbor. They have everything, all the facilities, and a really safe entrance. Doesn't matter if it's 40 or 50 knots, you can get in here safely. So guys, check it out. The weather is always good. We're in the middle of winter, and look at that, we're in the sun and smiling. Guys, anything to say to the world?
Oh yeah, no. We want to welcome you as soon as possible in Gandia, Valencia, Spain. We wait for you.
Guys, everybody is welcome, so see you soon. Laters!
Bye bye!
Okay guys, as you can see, these are the wires that had a shortcut. So, instead of buying a complete new light bulb, I took away all the electricity. I went to the Chinese shop and I bought like, yeah, the normal 2-pin 12 volt yeah, light bulb. Got it through. I can connect these, and what do you think? This is just actually a perfect fit. How lucky is that? Just check that out. This is just fitting in perfectly, like it's made for it. I don't know if I can get it in with one hand, but awesome. Yeah, so I'm very stoked about this one. Saving me 30 euros. connecting the wires, taping it up, and yeah, this light should be working again. Sometimes you just gotta be a little bit lucky. Wires are connected. Moment of truth. And since we're busy, I'm putting in a LED light, because normally this is like a 20 watt lamp, and this probably only uses like 1.2 amps. So we should be... Oh, look at that. Check that out. We've got a light bulb, and then of course I just cleaned the glass. Check that out. So hopefully this will fit. If it doesn't, whoa, check that out, guys. And we have a fully functioning light again. I'm so happy today, guys. Everything is working out. All the electricity is functioning again. I'm gonna tape it up, and yeah, I should be ready to go concerning all the lights. Do I need more? No, I need to fix the rudder, and that's it. So tomorrow it's a calm day, and yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys some nice sailing Friday. Awesome!